how's it going? We are here at Arlington Elementary, and we're about to start the Swiss tournament. These kids are excited. We did it last year, probably for like the second session, but this time we're doing it this session and the next session. So we're gonna do the Swiss tournament, and these kids are gonna experience it again. A lot of them didn't do it because they're third grade now, but yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned. You guys, what's up? You guys ready to play chess?
I have a question.
Don't scream, please.
I have a question.
I have an answer. This is a chess clock. Everyone say chess clock.
Chess clock.
It's a North American DGT chess clock, the best one out there. It's expensive. It's not like $3. It's like $50, okay? And we're gonna be doing the Swiss tournament today. So the Swiss tournament is the same tournament that they use for the United States Chess Federation. So you guys are gonna play like some pros in the Swiss tournament. Everyone say Swiss tournament. So we're gonna do 6 rounds, okay? 2 rounds today, 2 rounds next week, and 2 rounds on the last day. And then we're gonna do tiebreakers, okay? That's the most accurate way to find a true winner is by doing the Swiss tournament, okay? You're gonna be playing, we're gonna be pairing you up according to the this app that we have, the Swiss tournament app, okay? But let's go over the clocks real quick. If you're going like this, it'd be like this. It'd be a white king right there. Okay. Now, obviously white goes first. Black gets to choose what side the clock is on. Whatever hand you move your piece with is the same hand you're gonna use to hit the clock, okay? And they can go into the restroom, call their master friend, look at the move and come back and make a move. It's just all about integrity, okay? That's why. But for you guys, you need to use the restroom, pause the clock. The average chess game you guys play is around 10 to 12 minutes anyway. So just because there's clocks, don't get all excited, be like, You have literally, 10 minutes is a kind of a long time in a chess game. And you know, if you make fast moves, guess what? You're gonna make more mistakes, right? You're gonna get a higher chance of making mistakes. So still, take your time when you're playing chess. Think about your moves, don't rush it. If you have any questions or you get confused about anything, raise your hand, we're here to help you. And once it starts to get to like 3 to 4 minutes, then you can probably speed up your moves. But we want you guys to experience the Swiss tournament and have a fun time, okay? All right. She's going this way, right? Yep. Checkmate. I mean, it's a pawn storm. There's a pawn storm coming, but she'll be all right. Ah, $5, bro. She's gonna beat you. How did you lose? Are you spinning? What? Oh my gosh. How did you let him get the pawn to the other side?
I thought it was really fun. That like we have a time limit, and if the time limit ends, then the game is over. When you like restart it and put in like 10 minutes, that's the hard part for me. But everything else is pretty easy. You can't mess around with it, and you can't press start yet until they say go. And then if you need to go to the restroom, usually like real professional chess games, you're not allowed to the time limit still goes on even if you're you have to go to the bathroom. But they were being generous and nice, so we were allowed to go to the bathroom and pause the game. So the white has advantages. So when black gets to choose which side is it on. It has to be the same hand that you move the chess piece with. You should join the club.
Oh, you want a cookie? Like shouting all loud, turn it off! That's like saying, I'm breathing. I have 2 eyeballs. So do I. Sit down so we can pass out the treats. We're going to get a lesson. Did she just say 4? That is bold.
No, because
Like,
last time
can we
we
have
didn't
like
have
90?
any treats. We didn't have any treats.
Did you hear that? How many treats did you say you want? 4.
Last time.
My name is Mr. Josh. I like to eat squash. When I was a kid, I wore Oshkosh Bagosh. I used dental floss. I'm not the boss. 10. The Rooks are 5 times. You guys don't. There's 78. Ice. Melted. Just kidding. Turkey. Just kidding. Snellja. Jellyfish. Happy New Year. Hey, we're finished here doing chess at Arlington Elementary. Today was the first day of the Swiss tournament. We did 2 rounds. So today's week 4. Next week will be week 5, and then we'll do week 6. So it's 6 rounds total plus the tiebreakers. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to see who gets it. The kids are getting better at this school. There's a lot of improvement with the kids. A lot of them were in 2nd grade last year, and now they're in 3rd grade, so they're competing in the tournament. So yeah, it's going to be awesome, and we'll see you next week at Arlington. Peace.